Hi, my name's Jennifer Bright with Jennifer Bright Homes and Keller Williams Realty. Today we're going to show you a home at 4626 West 14th Street in Greeley, Colorado. And you're going to find out that Greeley gives you a lot more home for your money. Let's take a look. So what I love about this first room is that it's a huge, great room that was traditionally used as a dining room and maybe formal living room. But in today's society, we could see this being a home office. We could see this being a play area. We could see this being a piano room. So there's so many different ways that you could use this really beautiful, high-lit space. Not to mention, there's brand new engineered vinyl plank floors that have just been installed and all new paint. So this feels fresh and modern. The open floor plan of this house takes you straight into the kitchen with beautiful walnut cabinets, granite countertops, and the continuous, beautiful new vinyl plank floors that are installed throughout the house. From the kitchen, you walk into this cozy four-season living room with access to the kitchen, access to the backyard, and if you wanted to, you have lots of room for putting your special touch in this room. And wait until you see this awesome patio and backyard. The covered patio allows you to enjoy this beautiful backyard all 4 seasons. All right, let's head upstairs. We're going to see 4 full bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Once we get upstairs, we see that there's 3 full bedrooms with ample room, and each has a very large closet for storage. The upstairs also has a conveniently located bathroom with granite countertops, tile, and a combination bath and shower. The primary bedroom is oversized with ample space for a sitting area with lots of storage, bright lights, and an ensuite bathroom. There's plenty of room to put your own decorating style, and here's just an example of what it could look like. Not only that, there's a fully finished basement with brand new carpet, brand new paint, with this flex room that could be used for any number of things like gaming or just having a different sitting room. Not only is there the flex room, but there's 2 additional bedrooms with ample built-in storage and a private bathroom with a shower. So that just about wraps up our tour of 4626 West 14th Street here in Greeley. But just remember, Greeley is that special gem where you get a lot of home for your money. There's something in this house for just about everyone. The value is unquestionable. And there's a lot of room for you to put your special touches right